Thank you for visiting our channel. Seojin's Korean Street Food, a new reality television program, has some exciting news to share with you today. This event featured numerous celebrity guests, but one cast member in particular drew everyone's attention and left them all speechless. Can you identify the person? It's none other than V, a member of BTS. Each member of the cast of Seojin's Korean Street Food made an impressive entrance as they entered the stage. With each cast member's entrance, the crowd roared with excitement. Then, when V from BTS entered the stage, the audience erupted into a frenzy. His flawless presentation and endearing smile had everyone's hearts pumping. Fans immediately grabbed their phones as soon as V entered the stage and posted videos of the idol on social media. And let me tell you, the response from both fans and internet users was overwhelmingly positive. People immediately took to social media to share their adoration for V's everlasting beautiful looks. Just a few of the comments we discovered on social media are included below. Wow, I've always known he was attractive, but every time I see new pictures of him, I'm still in awe. V just has too much wonderful looks. It is unfair. He is superior. His sights are truly extraordinary. He looks really gorgeous. I even find it difficult to express. He is so attractive that it seems as though he is from another planet. He's so gorgeous, all I can say is, wow. He has incredible excellent looks. What is his secret? He's just too attractive, so every time I see him, it's a fresh surprise. That was today's update on BTS's V from Seojin's Korean Street Food production introduction. We sincerely hope you enjoyed this video and had an opportunity to take in BTS's V's breathtaking graphics. For the most recent news and trends, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Up until then, bye.